All right, hang on right, Krusty. Do a good job. Come on, man. Make them level. There you go.
This don't look like it's level to me.
It's
Who cares?
It's level now.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
This does look good,
That looks
dude.
pretty good.
Look at that.
I can be the pot. I can be the pot man.
Hey, you the pot man.
Man,
now.
Pot
yeah.
man.
This looks good.
I ain't the hope that they
Right,
keep
yeah.
I'll admit, I didn't think a pot wrap was gonna look good in the kitchen.
It transforms.
Yeah.
I look like two different lights.
Oh yeah.
Looks good on
It looks very good. And the paint.
All right,
Looks
now the only
good.
thing we got left now, we got to get a refrigerator.
We'll get the refrigerator later.
No, we done all this. We get the refrigerator today.
We
So,
can't. You
all
can't,
right,
you
where
can't
y'all
just
wanna go?
randomly get a fridge. We got other stuff to do.
Where do you want to go get it from?
You got to do the yard. You got plenty.
I want to get a refrigerator today.
You'll get the refrigerator when you get the refrigerator,
What is
Dad.
wrong with that one?
What's wrong with it?
fine.
Look at.
Stop!
Look at. That's what's wrong with it. What's wrong with it? Yeah, that's what's wrong with the damn thing. It's broke. Now let's go get a refrigerator.
Charlie, would you come pick some of this shit up, dude?
Damn.
You chill! Get out!
What?
Get out!
I want a refrigerator today.
You're not getting it! Charlie, can you help me? We gotta put these shelves back up, dude.
I said we're gonna get a refrigerator today.
You're not getting.
What is that?
God damn it.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ, Dad!
Can I get a refrigerator now?
No, you cannot! I'm calling the police. I'm gonna call the police on you!
For what?
For that! Christ, Dad!
Man, we just fucking got everything.
Now it don't work at all. New refrigerator.
You're not getting it!
You gonna be.
I'm leaving, dude. I'm out of here.
Now guess what you gonna get? Now you can have a goddamn stove.
Don't stop! Jesus Christ! Stop it! Dude, it's time to stop! It ain't breaking, now stop it! Jesus Christ, Dad!
Now I need a new stove. Now I need both. Let's go.
I don't think so.
That is just fucking fucked up. Hey, fuck.
Christ, I'm sick of this shit with you! What the fuck is your problem? What are you doing?
I need a new stove. I need a new refrigerator. Let's go.
Get it yourself, dude.
Now.
Guys, I'm tired of this!
So what am I gonna do now? What am I gonna
You're
do
not
now?
getting.
I don't know what you're gonna do, but you're not getting it! Oh, I'm leaving. We gotta go, Bridget. We gotta go.
Get out.
You're so ungrateful.
Let's go, Bridget.
Get out.
Don't do anything
You're so
stupid!
ungrateful.
Give me a call and you can pick out stove refrigerator. Thank you.
I don't think so.
We're not getting you anything.
You're not getting shit, dude. You're
Thank you.
ungrateful. You're selfish.
Thank you.
You're not getting shit. So.
Hey, I want to stop outside.
Dude, seriously, let's go.
I gotta see what he